read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Nafi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's expected learning outcomes about letter F. The student is expected to identify the uppercase and the lowercase letter F. Learn the vocabulary words that start with the sound of letter F and learn the formation of letter F. So, initially, you will teach formation. How you will teach? Start from the first line, come straight down, make sleeping line, make another sleeping line. It will make capital F. You could say, start from the red dot. Start from red dot, make a cap, come straight down, make a cut or make sleeping line. It will make small f. The letter name is F and the sound of F is After teaching these vocabulary words, okay, you will ask from the students if they know about letter F, its sound, and more vocabulary words. Okay, like finger, like fan. Okay, you have to make flashcards of capital and small letter F, its vocabulary words, and visualize these things to the students. Individually, you have to go student to student, person to person. It's easier for themselves to memorize. Okay, it's our purpose that they have to memorize all the things in the class. After that, you have to visualize the story and ask different questions. I hope so you understood what I want to say. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.